Last but not least, the use of green screen. Green screen is where the two images or video stream are layered or composite together. It's usually a single color background that an editor removes from the shoot to drop in other volume, background, or effect. The secret to pulling your subject out of the real world and placing them into the digital domain is chroma key, and that's mean wearing green with green screen. Chroma key allow you to take your subject out of the real world and place him or her into a completely new world. Using a chroma key green screen gives you a world of options. These, these are the central TV station used to present the weather. A meteorologist stands in front of a green screen which allows the weather map to be superimposed behind him. Apa khabar semua? Ini adalah contoh green screen yang saya akan edit di Wondershare Filmora di PC dan KineMaster di Android. Terima kasih kerana menonton video ini. Sekian, terima kasih. Jumpa lagi.